Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, thank you for the constant support. Tonight we have another review for Flame. It's a new company, well, new-ish to me. If you remember my review on the Flame soap, which was an awesome soap by the way, Tara has come up with a shampoo. It works just as great. Stay tuned and we'll get into the details. Welcome back everybody. Thank you guys so much for the constant support and coming back to the channel. I hope you're enjoying the reviews. I know I'm pumping out a ton of them. Just constant content. No rest for the wicked, I always say. Just thank you guys for all the love. Tonight we're going to talk about a company called Flame. The owner's name is Tara. She's an awesome owner. I talked to her a few times. She came out with a bar of soap that is like next level to the firefighter world. When you go to fight a fire, whether it be a house fire, a car fire, any type of fire that produces that nasty smoke, basically whatever is burning in a fire, and you're going in to fight that fire, that's gonna get on your skin no matter how thick of gear you got on, the protective gear you got, your PPE. It's always going to get into your skin, or onto your skin rather, and you're going to have a nasty smell coming from you. And some of that stuff is really nasty. What she came up with is a soap. I'll put a picture right here. I did a review for that soap, and it's like next level stuff for firefighters. It's a decontamination soap, and it does exactly what it's supposed to. She created this specifically for firefighters. She has family in the fire service. She is actually a veteran of our U.S. Military, which thank you by the way. And she sent me out a shampoo to go over for you guys. And I've used the shampoo quite a few times. I've had it probably a couple weeks. Just like the soap, it's amazing. It's a body wash / shampoo. You feel so refreshed after using these products. All right, enough babbling. Let's get into the product. And this is Tara right there. I don't know if you can see. There you go. And like I said, she created this specifically for firefighters. And all the information right there. Come on, focus. There we go. And she sent me out a bottle of the shampoo / body wash. And I think my favorite thing is it's not a fancy schmancy bottle with bells and whistles. It's a black bottle. It's got white lettering. The white lettering pops. It's a nice bottle. The ingredients, let me see. Flame's proprietary blend of activated charcoal has been developed to remove the widest variety of toxins of any product on the market today, making Flame products the most suitable for decontamination. Like I said, she made this specifically for firefighters in removing the toxic, harmful chemicals that are still with them after fighting the fire. Even after you take a shower after fighting a fire, sometimes you still have that nasty stuff on your skin. And this stuff works absolutely amazing. Like I said, it's shampoo and body wash. The ingredients in this, I probably won't name them all, but I'll put them right here or in the description. It is a veteran and fire family owned, developed for firefighters. Apologize, guys. Scientifically formulated to remove more toxins, field tested and approved, high quality, plant derived ingredients, free of phthalates. I was never able to say that word. PGs, dyes, artificial fragrance, parabens and sulfates, great for all types of hair. So I've actually tried this on my beard and it does pull all the oils and stuff off my beard, basically kind of like a fresh slate, if you will. It just does what it says it does. It's an amazing shampoo, and I'm going to shake it up because it's been sitting. This is a full bottle. It's been sitting, so all the activated charcoal is probably sitting at the bottom. But like any charcoal cleaning stuff, shampoo, soap. It is going to have a black coloring to it. And I'm going to show you guys real quick. I'm not going to waste too much of it because this stuff works good. There we go. As you can see, it's a nice, it's a little thinner than a normal like shampoo or wash, but like I said, it works so good. It leaves my beard clean, my body clean. It smells good. It doesn't have any particular type of cologne type smell, or it's just got a nice, it's just got a nice clean type smell. Maybe a little bit of floral scented stuff in there, but it works great. If you guys are looking, especially my firefighter friends and my firefighter brothers, I'll leave all the links in the description box below for you guys. Definitely check out Flame. Tara is an awesome owner. Like I said, she's a veteran. Her family is part of the fire service. So anything fire related, I support 100%. So thank you, Tara, for sending this out for review. I'll have a few more promo posts coming up, guys. I'm going to support this company as much as I can. Alright, sorry guys, enough of me blabbering. Thank you so much, Tara, for sending this stuff out. I appreciate it. If you guys liked the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Until the next one, guys, peace.